Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ready for another deep dive? Today we're looking at InVideo AI and all the buzz around it.
Yeah, it's getting a lot of attention.
Yeah, and you know how it is with these new platforms, so much hype. We're going to sort through all that for you guys, figure out what it can actually do, and most importantly, see if it lives up to all the hype.
Right, exactly.
So basic rundown, it's a platform for video creation. And they're really pushing the whole AI angle, like really pushing it.
Well, AI is everywhere these days, so it makes sense they'd jump on that.
For sure. But the big question is, can AI really help us, the average person, actually make decent videos? That's what we're here to figure out.
And I think what's really interesting about InVideo AI is, at least from what I've seen, they're trying to make video creation accessible to everyone, not just, the tech-savvy folks.
Right, like I can barely work my TV remote. Can I make a video with this thing? That's kind of the vibe I'm getting.
Exactly, and that's where the AI comes in. Because from what I understand, a lot of the heavy lifting is done by the AI. You don't need to be a video editing whiz to use it.
Okay, so less about technical skills, more about having a vision.
Right, you have an idea for a video, you know what you want to say, but maybe you don't have the time or the know-how to actually edit it all together. That's where InVideo AI steps in.
So walk me through it. Let's say I have this brilliant idea for, a video about my dog doing tricks. How does InVideo AI help me make that happen?
Well, instead of firing up some complicated editing software and spending hours learning how to use it, you basically just tell InVideo AI your idea. You literally type it in. You can even get super specific. Like, say you want it to be a 30-second video, perfect for Instagram, with a voiceover that sounds like, Morgan Freeman.
Hold on, Morgan Freeman narrating my dog's tricks.
Right.
Sign me up. But seriously, is that even possible?
Well, maybe not Morgan Freeman himself, but the AI can create a voiceover that sounds incredibly realistic. It's pretty mind-blowing, and that's just one of the features. There's a ton of other stuff, too.
Like what?
So you've got your basic editing tools, obviously, but then you get into AI-generated clips. So let's say you want to include a shot of, a sunset over the ocean in your dog video.
Sure, why not?
You don't have to go out and film it yourself. The AI can generate that for you. There's also music editing, so you can add the perfect soundtrack. Translations, so you can reach a global audience with your dog's tricks.
My dog is going international.
And get this, they're even working on real-time collaboration tools. So you and your friends can all work on the same video at the same time, even if you're in different parts of the world. Pretty cool, right?
Okay, I have to admit, I'm starting to see the appeal here. But let's be real, some of these AI-powered platforms, they sound great on paper, but then you actually try to use them, and it's like trying to decipher ancient hieroglyphics.
Right, they can be complicated.
Exactly. So what about InVideo AI? How user-friendly is it, really?
Well, that's what they're really emphasizing. They're marketing it as a platform for everyone, regardless of your technical skills. In fact, I saw a quote from a user who said it was a game changer that streamlined their workflow and made video creation simple.
Game changer, huh? That's a bold claim.
It is, but I think what that quote gets at is the accessibility. They're trying to make video creation as easy as, say, writing an email or creating a presentation.
And to be fair, that would be a game changer. Because right now, video creation feels very much like, an exclusive club.
Yes,
you need the right software, the right skills, the right equipment. It's intimidating. But if InVideo AI can actually level the playing field, that opens up a world of possibilities.
It does. Imagine small businesses being able to create professional-looking videos for their marketing campaigns, or educators creating engaging content for their students, or even just, everyday people sharing their stories with the world.
So you're saying this could be the YouTube revolution we've all been waiting for?
Well, maybe not a revolution, but it definitely has the potential to shake things up a bit. And one of the most exciting features to me is the AI voice cloning. I'm really curious about that.
Me too. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. How does that even work?
Basically, you give the AI a sample of your voice. It analyzes all the little nuances, the tone, the inflections, everything that makes your voice unique, and then it creates a digital clone that can speak in your voice.
So wait, I could have 100 tiny digital versions of myself narrating all my videos.
Yeah.
That's both amazing and slightly creepy.
It's definitely a bit of both.
But think about the possibilities. I could have my own voiceover artist on call 24/7. No more spending hours recording and re-recording audio.
Exactly. And it's not just for individuals. Businesses could use this to create personalized messages for their customers. Imagine getting a marketing email where the CEO is speaking directly to you in their own voice.
Okay, that's actually pretty cool. It's like that personal touch, but on a massive scale.
Right, exactly. It's all about making something that used to be complex and expensive, simple and accessible.
So to wrap things up, InVideo AI sounds pretty promising. User-friendly, AI-powered, packed with features. It could be a real game changer for anyone who wants to create videos, but, maybe isn't a tech wizard.
And if you're still on the fence, I'd say give it a try. What have you got to lose?
Except maybe hours of your life as you get sucked into the world of AI-powered video creation. But hey, if you're looking to level up your video game, it might be worth it. If you want to learn more, head over to tiny.cec/InVideo3. That's tiny.ce video 3.
Definitely check it out. And who knows, maybe we'll see your amazing AI-powered videos popping up online soon.
Until next time, happy creating, everyone.
Yeah.